Applying BACTROBAN ointment the correct way.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss how to properly apply BACTROBAN ointment, a commonly prescribed topical antibiotic for skin infections. It's crucial to use this medication correctly to get the most benefit and promote healing. Always remember, the amount you need depends on the size of the area you need to treat.
What is BACTROBAN?
BACTROBAN, or mupirocin, is an antibiotic ointment that treats certain skin infections caused by bacteria. It works by stopping the growth of bacteria. BACTROBAN should not be used for viral or fungal infections. Always follow your healthcare provider's instructions when using this medication.
How much should I use?
For most wounds, you would typically apply a small amount, roughly the size of a pea. However, this depends on the size of the wound. The ointment should be enough to cover the entire affected area. Please note that using more ointment does not make it work faster or better.
How do I apply it?
Here are the steps to apply the ointment. 1. Wash your hands before and after applying the ointment. This helps prevent infection. 2. Clean the affected area. You can do this with warm water and mild soap, unless directed otherwise by your healthcare provider. 3. Dry the area well before applying the ointment. 4. Apply a small amount of the ointment, enough to cover the area. 5. If your healthcare provider instructs, you may cover the area with a sterile bandage or gauze. 6. Do not use the ointment more often than instructed by your healthcare provider.
What should I keep in mind?
Remember to use BACTROBAN for the full prescribed length of time, even if your symptoms improve before you finish your prescription. Stopping the medication too early may allow bacteria to continue growing, which could result in a return of the infection. If your condition persists or worsens, consult your healthcare provider promptly. Avoid contact with the eyes. If the ointment gets into the eyes, rinse them thoroughly with water. And that's it. Now you know how much BACTROBAN ointment to apply and how to do it correctly. Remember, everyone's situation is different, so it's important to follow your healthcare provider's specific instructions. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we wish you a quick recovery. Stay safe and healthy.